The motorcycle has an energy-efficient vehicle status and is powered by a 127cc air-cooled 4-stroke SOHC engine with a maximum power output of 10 horsepower and 10.5 Newton-meters of torque. Delivering power to the rear wheel is a conventional 4-speed auto clutch system, where else stopping power is managed by a dual-piston caliper gripping a disc brake up front and a conventional drum brake system at the rear. The Aveta's 8.5-liter fuel tank is the first of its size in this particular category, and works well for those who prefer riding long distance. As for comfort, the Ranger Max Explorer's suspension setup consists of a telescopic fork up front and dual gas-charged shock absorbers at the rear. The Ranger Max Explorer offers plenty of unique features, such as a T-bone frame that is a patented design that results in a lightweight but strong frame for good stability and handling. The Aveta Ranger Max Explorer offers a blend of retro styling and modern elements, such as its distinctive round headlamps, unique integrated rear, tail and indicator lights, a round digital LED speedometer, classic side mirrors, multi-spoke rims and a rugged, partially exposed, powder-coated frame. Aveta says the Ranger Max Explorer offers many well-thought-out features, such as high handlebars, low seat height of just 760 mm, ground clearance, of 180 mm and thoughtful foot peg positioning that works well for riding sitting down or standing up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share video.